can also ask any other question that is appropriate for you in your life at the moment. And to remember, it's not a mental process. Do not even attempt to think out the answers. Listen and receive, because you listen with what happens between these two temples. This is where it begins. Just like the baby that's born, the spirit enters through the fontanelle on the head here. It enters through the head. That's why nature insists that babies are born head first. So it's not a mental process. It comes in as a spirit, as an energy through the top of your head here. You still bear that invisible triangle that used to be the fontanelle on your head when you were born, the sacred triad. So if you are now using mental processes, reach higher in your consciousness and let there be a feeling that comes over your body, because the feelings are creating the thoughts, and the thoughts create the emotion. So the feeling will give you the mood. The feeling will give you the mood, will give you the thinking. If you're in a bad mood, your thinking is shit. So the feeling creates the mood, creates the thoughts. Because then those thoughts that are created by the feeling, you are not thinking those thoughts. It's created by the feeling. And when you are not thinking your thoughts, you are ruled by them, because then the thoughts are just happening and you are reacting to them as if it's a reality. Because it happens between these two temples. It's a sacred process. All of us have it. None of us are exempt. But now, when you go into a space, into the higher self, when you allow the answers to come from the higher self, it's deep within you. It's not work that you can actually just grab out of the air at any time. You need to go through a process where you can connect with it. And then you wait for the answer to come. You wait for the answer to come.